Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lovely, and in today's video, I will tell you the story of Orphan Little Bird. This story is about a little and poor bird who had no family left at all. She was all alone in the world, but she was brave and clever, and she had learned to look after herself. She would search for food every day. The garden was the best place for food. But as well as the tasty food, there was a dangerous cat that wanted to eat her. She would escape him every day and tell herself she was brave. But she wasn't brave all the time. Autumn was soon coming, and it would be more than difficult to find food. Oh no, she thought to herself. I am all alone, and I won't find food anywhere. What will happen to me? Close by, a long-tailed bird said, All alone? You can't survive autumn for that long. Come join my flock. Flock? Repeated the orphan bird. Yes, we are kind of like this big family. The long-tailed bird kind of replied. Oh, the orphan bird said. Well, I expect that they will just fight over the food. I won't get any at all. Don't be silly, the long-tailed bird said. In a flock, we learn from each other. The orphan bird finally agreed. They arrived in the tree. The orphan bird was shocked. There were so many different birds. Then, all of the birds took off into the sky, flying in a group as the orphan bird followed. The birds moved through the sky like one great creature in a huge game of Follow the Leader. Birds called to encourage each other. This way, they called. Keep up! The elder bird took them to another part of the wood. This part of the wood had one of the tastiest treats she had ever seen. She filled her stomach and said, Everybody in the flock does help everybody else, but I'm just one little bird. What I can do in return? Well, the long-tailed bird said, you can always look out for danger and warn the flock if you see anything. The weeks went by and the weather turned colder, but the flock still didn't starve as they worked together. One day the flock flew into a garden and they settled in a tree. They were searching for some food, although Orphan Bird had travelled to several places with the flock. She knew this garden very well. It was the same garden she used to visit. She also knew that same glint of an eye and the flash of a claw. Cat! She called as loudly as she could. Danger! All the birds flew up into the sky before the cat could pounce on them. You saved everyone, said the long-tailed bird as they flew back to the wood. Well, I just helped everyone, said the orphan bird modestly. That's what you do when you're part of a flock. And it was true. Orphan bird was no longer alone. She was part of the flock now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more content. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video.